So this is our last night in Halifax. So we're just making the most of it and enjoying the harbor.
Meron ba itong data?
Mamimiss namin tong ano na to. Mamimiss namin tong place na to. Kasi dito yung pinaka gusto namin mag-relax ni Dave. After work, chill lang. Mag-wish kami, tapos tama namin yung point dito sa Atlantic Ocean para matupad siya. This is our favorite spot here in the waterfront. Pakita mo, favorite spot natin to. Ang upuan na to sa favorite spot natin. Okay, so game?
Game.
Game. Mag-wish na. Make our dreams come true.
Yeah. Amen.
Dave naman.
Amen.
Okay, si Dave naman, mag-wish din siya. Tapos, dito sa favorite spot namin. Ayan, mag-wish din siya. Tapos, tapon niya yung coin. Natapon na ba? Walang sound. Yun. So, sana matupad yung wish namin. Sana makabalik din ulit kami dito. Because it's so nice here. Very relaxing. Yeah. Kahit gabi na masaganda pa rin. Maano yung hangin. Very peaceful. It's a very nice experience. But what can you say about our whole Halifax experience? Because we're gonna tomorrow, fly to Toronto tomorrow.
Extraordinary.
Yeah.
Extraordinary.
You enjoy Halifax?
Like my first time abroad.
This is our last night. Mamimiss namin tong place na to. Last night na namin dito sa Halifax. Grabe, ang sarap ng hangin. Sarap talagang tumambay dito. Me, I really enjoy this Halifax experience. 5. Ilang gabi tayo dito? 5 nights? 7 nights? 7 ba?
6 nights. 7.
6 nights ata 7 days. Pero sobrang na-enjoy namin. Very relaxing. Sarap ng mga food. Di ba masarap din yung mga food? Masarap yung mga food. Sobrang sarap ng lobster. Sarap ng hangin. Basta, saya. Masaya. We're flying back to Toronto tomorrow. So, yun. Sana maganda din sa Toronto. Alam ko mas laid back dito, pero yun, sana ma-enjoy din namin. Sarap kasi dito pagkatapos ng work namin. Dito na kami. Nagtatambay, chill. Tapos laging maano sa boardwalk. Laging buhay kasi summer. Sarap. I hope there's many more na susunod. Marami pang susunod sa ibang lugar naman.
start.
Okay. So Darren's going to demonstrate the seat drop. It's nice and easy, this one. You can put your legs straight out front and land on your seat. Just like that.
Didn't do nothing. Just fell in his butt.
Well, yeah, I think you can handle this one, Sam. It's
Oh, come on out.
like you wear it out to weddings and special occasions.
Thank you for the invitation.
Wasn't an invitation, but we're going to get you back up on the trampoline to do the next landing. And actually, what you're doing right there is perfect for the next move.
Everything I'm doing is perfect. You heard her.
Well, your position.